My name is Dave Hunt. I'm the Continuous Improvement and State and Federal Programs Consultant for the Muskegon Area ISD. For the last 4 months, I have facilitated a biweekly MICIP open forum where a group of regional colleagues completed a practical walkthrough of the MICIP process. Terry Nugent, the MICIP project lead, and Ben Borkel, the MICIP professional learning lead, participated in a few of the sessions and asked if I could facilitate a similar process with a statewide audience. I'm here today to introduce this PD opportunity as the MICIP Collaborative Walkthrough and Work Session Series. This is just a quick introduction to the series to help you decide if you would like to participate, and if so, if you'd like to participate as an individual or if you'd like to register a team. The series will take a different approach than previous PDs on MICIP, which have focused on the mindset shifts necessary to be successful with continuous improvement or demonstrations of the platform. Instead, we'll spend time collaborating with colleagues to experience the process firsthand. This can be accomplished as an individual or with a prearranged team, which I'll discuss in more detail. Since we will get right into experiencing the process firsthand, participants should already have the necessary background knowledge around the mindset shifts that MICIP introduces. There are many resources available for this on the MICIP website, which will be linked in the description of this video. Our audience includes ISD, district, and school leaders that are responsible for continuous improvement. This could include ISD consultants, district and building administrators, teacher leaders, or any other school staff involved in continuous improvement. There will be two main ways to participate. First, your district could organize a team that participates together. Your team could join from one device and participate face-to-face, or you could all join from your own devices and be placed in breakout rooms when it's time to collaborate. If you take this route, you're welcome to select the data sources that are important to your team and use this opportunity to work on your actual MICIP plan. If you're interested in bringing a team to the PD, please watch the second video on team preparation, which will be linked at the end of this video and in the video description. The second way to participate is to join as an individual. The focus will be on learning about the MICIP platform and how to lead others through the process. You'll have a practice data set that those joining individually will collaborate around with other participants. When it's time to discuss and collaborate, you'll join a small group of colleagues and practice the sorts of conversations you will have with your district team. The 4 sessions of the PD series run every other week in April and May. Each session has 2 main parts: the main content, which is the collaborative walkthrough of the MICIP process, and an optional content section. The optional content section is something technical in nature that will appeal to a specific audience. The main content section will be the first 2 hours of each session, and the optional content will be the last hour. Our first session will be all about data, how to select data, ideas on what kind of whole child data to choose, and most importantly, how to work through the discover data portion of MICIP. Our first optional session will be for those with the designation of MICIP administrator. We'll be covering how to get connected to MICIP, and once connected, how to assign schools and roles. For our second session, we'll dig into root cause analysis and the tools available to teams in MICIP. We'll then move on to how to manage goals and define end targets, interim targets, and tasks. The second optional session will be for ISD administrators and those that are writing plans for ISD schools and programs. Our third session will center around strategies. We will work with managing strategies, using the My Strategy Bank, and we'll also select strategy implementation activities. The optional session on this day will be for those that work with state and federal programs and the consolidated application. We'll learn how MICIP interacts with the new grant management system, Nexus. Our final session will center on selecting funding sources and will preview what it looks like to implement, monitor, and make plan adjustments. We will also get into how MICIP integrates program evaluation into the process. Our optional session for session 4 will focus on the reporting features of MICIP. We will be sure to record our sessions, and these recordings will be freely available. However, the focus of this series is on collaboration, not content. To get the most out of this series, you'll want to attend in person and be ready to engage in collaborative conversation with your colleagues. That wraps things up for the series introduction. If you are interested in participating, please follow the registration link that is listed in the continuous improvement communication. Registration is being handled through the Muskegon Area ISD. If you have never registered through us, you will need to go through a quick sign-up process, but it's fairly painless. If you're planning to register and participate as a team, two things. One, please have each team member register individually. We'll sort out how your team is going to participate later. Second, if you're planning to participate as a team, please watch the second video that is linked at the end of this presentation and in the video description. Thanks, and I look forward to working with you in April and May.